Dear student, today we are going to start our new point preparation of phenol. The phenol new preparation poicha. Last lecture we discussed about the preparation of the alcohol. Now phenol. Phenol is a common name and it is accepted as a IUPAC name also. But another name of phenol is carbolic acid also. Remember, this is MCQ. Carbolic acid, another name of phenol. First isolated in the early 19th century. The 19th century ની અંદર કોલ્ટારના એટલે કોલ હોય કોલસો એનું ડિસ્ટ્રક્ટિવ distillation કરવામાં આવે. When we do destructive distillation, so it gives a coal tar. Nineteenth century commercially coal tar nothing. This is coal gas. Then liquid derives in the tube which is called coal tar. The coal tar માંથી phenol મેળવવામાં આવતું. Nowadays, phenol is commercially produced synthetically. The man-made. In the laboratory, phenols are prepared. Phenol is commercially produced synthetically. હાલના સમયની અંદર કોલ્ટારમાંથી નહીં પણ કોમર્શિયલી મોટા પાયા ઉપર એનું ઉત્પાદન કરવામાં આવે છે. But in the laboratory, phenols are prepared from benzene derivatives. પણ લેબની અંદર ફિનોલ બનાવવું હોય તો બેન્ઝીન ડેરિવેટિવ્સ મીન્સ બેન્ઝીન અને એમાંથી બનતા કમ્પાઉન્ડ લાઈક ક્લોરોબેન્ઝીન એને ડેરિવેટિવ્સ કહેવાય. ડેરિવેટિવ્સ મીન્સ compound which derives from the benzene which is called benzene derivatives by any of the following method. નીચેનામાંથી કોઈ પણ એક મેથડથી phenols we can prepare. So there are four methods. We are going to one by one. First one from haloarenes. Haloarenes. Benzene contains halogen which is called haloarenes. Chlorobenzene is fused with NaOH at 623 Kelvin temperature and 320 atmospheric pressure. Phenol is obtained by acidification of sodium phenoxide. So produced, yes, phenol we have to first dissolve into sodium hydroxide, means fused, એટલે પીગાળી નાખો. Dissolve करो NaOH की अंदर at 623 Kelvin temperature and 320 atmospheric pressure. So what happens there actually? Chlorine removes with H as a HCl and ONA combines there. Benzene ring contains only oxygen which is phenoxide and it contains Na plus, so it is sodium phenoxide. Yes, this one is sodium phenoxide. Then after we have to acidify it, means we have to add acid. So sodium again oxygen ne attraction hoy sodium पर एना करता H plus प्रति आकर्षण વધારે છે. Attraction toward oxygen on sodium is less than hydrogen. So in acidic medium there is H plus ion. So Na plus ion replaced by H plus and removal of NaCl gives the phenol. This is first method from chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene is fused. Chlorobenzene NaOH ની અંદર dissolve કરવાનું at high temperature 623 Kelvin and 320 atmospheric pressure. So it gives sodium phenoxide. Positive ion first in reading sodium, then negative phenoxide. We are acidifying. એમાં acid નાખી. Na plus replaced by H plus, so it gives a phenol. Now, second method, from benzene sulfonic acid. Yes, we can also form phenol from the benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene is the sulfonated, means a reaction with oleum. H2SO4 plus SO3 is called oleum. Here in the H2SO4 there are two parts, SO3H plus and OH minus. Yes, sulfuric acid gives two parts here, one of OH minus and plus, SO3H plus and OH minus. SO3 plus ion combines with benzene, so there is hydrogen. Hydrogen will be replaced. કોઈ પણ એક જગ્યાએ hydrogen replace થાય. H from benzene and OH from sulfuric acid, removal of water gives the benzene sulfonic acid. This is benzene sulfonic acid. So form convert to sodium phenoxide on heating with molten, yes, molten NaOH, એટલે without water. Aqueous નથી. Molten એટલે પીગાળેલું, ગરમ કરીને. એના સાથે react થશે. એટલે once again H2, yes, sodium phenoxide, it gives ONA. ONA, here comes sodium phenoxide. It gives sodium phenoxide. Then now acidification of it. First step NaOH. Now on second step acidification. Na plus remove થાય and there should be OH comes. Yes, sir. First step gives sodium phenoxide. Second step acidifying with that. So Na plus replaced by H plus and gives phenol. Benzene is sulfonated with oleum, and benzene sulfonic acid, sulfon, is converted to sodium phenoxide. On heating with molten sodium hydroxide, it gives sodium phenoxide. Acidification of sodium salt gives a phenol. This is second method. Now third one, from benzene diazonium salt. Yes, we can derive some a benzene diazonium salt. First of all, we have to make a benzene diazonium chloride salt. Yes, so aniline. Diazonium salt is formed by treating an aromatic primary amine. Aromatic primary amine means here nitrogen directly connected with one carbon. Alcohol ની જેમ નહીં, હેલોજન ની જેમ નહીં. Alcohol અને હેલોજન માં શું જોવાનું? હેલોજન or OH group containing carbon બીજા કેટલા સાથે કનેક્ટેડ છે? અહીંયા એમ નહીં. અહીં તો જો નાઇટ્રોજન વાળો કાર્બન બીજા બે સાથે કનેક્ટેડ, તો સેકન્ડરી થાય. નહીં, નાઇટ્રોજન itself કેટલા સાથે કનેક્ટેડ છે? એટલે પ્રાઇમરી. એમાઇનમાં અલગ હોય છે. NH2 ગ્રુપમાં નાઇટ્રોજન ડાયરેક્ટ એક સાથે હોય તો પ્રાઇમરી, 2 સાથે હોય તો સેકન્ડરી, 3 સાથે હોય તો ટર્સરી. Primary aromatic amine is aniline. A diazonium salt is formed by treating an aromatic primary amine with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid means NaNO2 plus HCl at 273 to 278 Kelvin. Diazonium salts are hydrolyzed to phenols by warming with water or by treating with dilute acid. So we have to take first aniline. Is reacting with sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature, means 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. So what happens actually? Your benzene ring contains NH2. So N with N and chlorine combines there like this. N with N and Cl. Now total remaining hydrogen 2 and 2 4 and 2 oxygen. So removes 2 H2O. 1 chlorine and 1 sodium as a remaining, removes as a NaCl. So this is benzene diazonium. In salt, in return, we take like this N2 plus and Cl minus. Yes, and donating chain plus coordinate covalent bond and Cl minus. So N2 plus and Cl minus formal charge. This group is azo, benzene, azo and chloride. So benzene diazonium chloride is our intermediate product, which is salt are hydrolyzed. A reaction with water. In the water there are two parts, H plus and OH minus. समझे क्यों ने? Aniline is reacting with NaNO2 and 2HCl. So benzene diazonium chloride occurs, but this reaction happens only at 273 to 278 Kelvin, means 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Diazonium salts are hydrolyzed to phenol by warming with water or by treating with dilute acid. So now 2 nitrogen removes as a N2 gas, H with Cl as a HCl. Now OH combines on benzene ring. So it gives a phenol. અહીંયા OH combine થઈ જાય phenol, 2 nitrogen as a N2 gas, HNCl as a HCl. So diazonium salt hydrolyze. Hydrolyze means a reaction with water to phenol by warming with water, by treating with dilute acid. So it gives or by treating with dilute acid. ઘણી વાર water હોય, ઘણી વાર dilute acid હોય, તો પણ phenol બનશે. But acid should be dilute. Now, fourth one method of the preparation of the phenol from cumene. Phenol is manufactured from the hydrocarbon. Yes, sir. This method given by scientist cumene. So that is called cumene process. Most of the worldwide production of phenol is from cumene. Actually, cumene was the scientist, and this method derived by cumene. So in honor of it, this is called the cumene method. To make cumene, first we have to take a benzene. Then it react with isopropyl chloride. So So from here hydrogen and chlorine removes as a HCl. Here direct given, so CH, CH3, CH3. Otherwise, like this. Actually, IUPAC name is isopropylbenzene. In honor of scientist Cumin, name given of the compound is cumin. So cumin is common name, and IUPAC name is isopropylbenzene. Clear? Now, phenol is manufactured from hydrocarbon cumin. Yes, with band. Cumin isopropylbenzene is oxidized in the presence of air. In the presence of air, it gives cumin hydroperoxide. Here benzene ring CH3, CH3 and H. When it reacts with oxygen, so there is double bond. So one pi bond breaks. So two valency remaining of both oxygen. Very एक bond बाकी रहते. It combines here like this. So OOH. This is cumin hydroperoxide. This part is peroxide. Cumin hydroperoxide. Oxidized to presence of air to cumin hydroperoxide. It is converted to phenol and acetone by treating with dilute acid. H plus means acid. Dilute acid. Water to OH. So what happens here? OH group combines with benzene and gives a phenol. Here two part CH3CO, one bond remaining of carbon and one bond of oxygen, and both combines with each other, so it gives acetone. This is acetone, our product. Here byproduct of this reaction is acetone. It is also obtained in large quantity by this method. In the large quantity. In this process, the main product is phenol, but byproduct is acetone. Acetone is a solvent and very useful compound in the chemistry lab to dissolve many substances. Now, we are in our new point. In text question you can see. So read the question first. In text question 11.4. So how are the following alcohols prepared by reaction of a suitable Grignard reagent on methanol? Methanol means formaldehyde, one carbon. એટલે આ compound બનાવવું છે from methanol. Product is given. We have to find a Grignard reagent. Now I am giving a trick. In methanol there is one carbon. In the product there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 carbon. So what we have to do? Yes, 3 carbon having Grignard reagent we have to take. And it should be, चलो આપણે assume करिए, suppose isopropyl magnesium chloride. When we take isopropyl magnesium chloride, when we take isopropyl magnesium chloride, when we take So what happens there? You can see isopropyl magnesium chloride. So this part is positive and negative. It combines with carbon, MgCl with oxygen. So here bond breaks between carbon oxygen. O સાથે MgCl. Here isopropyl group combines and now hydrolysis in the presence of acid H plus NOH. MgCl remove with OH as a MgOHCl. Understood? And H combines here. So CH3, CH3, CH2OH is our product. So Grignard reagent should be isopropyl magnesium chloride. Understood? This is our product. Take the screenshot of it. Now second question. This is our answer. And you can see, take the screenshot which is given already in your book. Answer is like this. Isopropyl magnesium bromide react with formaldehyde, methanol. So it gives CH3, CH2O, MgBr intermediate product. Reaction with water. So removal of MgOHBr. And hydrogen combine થઈ જાય. So it gives our product. So our answer is isopropyl magnesium bromide. Now what about second question? Yes, to make cyclohexane methanol. This is our product. Not benzene, cyclohexane. Reaction start with methanol. And reagent, which Grignard reagent is suitable? Cyclohexane magnesium bromide. In the formaldehyde, once again pi bond breaks. So with breaking the pi bond, O with MgBr, and here is cyclohexane. Otherwise, like this, cyclohexane CH2O MgBr is our intermediate product. And now hydrolysis in the presence of acid. So OH comes from water, releases as a MgOHBr, and hydrogen combines there. So it gives cyclohexane methanol. Answer is like this, which is already given in your book. Formaldehyde, cyclohexane magnesium bromide, intermediate product, and then last it gives cyclohexane methanol is our product. Answer of 11.4 over. Now come to the question number 11.5. Fill in the blanks. Write the structure of the product of the following reaction. Yes, sir. Here alkene is given. This is hydration, catalyzed hydration, acid ni હાજરીમાં hydrolysis with water. So we know more negative part means OH minus combines with less hydrogen having carbon, and positive part combines with more hydrogen having carbon. So CH3 CHOH and here CH3. So propane to all is our product. Understood? This is our product propane to ol. Now what about second question? Reducing agent NaBH4. But first of answer, you can see our answer is this in 11.5. Now in this question, reduction of ketone, this is ester, is not ketone but ester. Reduction of ester is not possible by sodium borohydride, which is weak reducing agent, so only reduces the carbonyl group. So here pi bond breaks. CH2COO ester remains as it is. Here after breaking the pi bond, one valency of carbon and one of oxygen remaining. So NaBH, hydrogen coming from NaBH4. One hydrogen with carbon, one with oxygen. So our product is benzene ring, cyclohexane contains OH. Then ester group remains as it is. This is our answer. Ester remains as it is. Carbonyl group is converted into, you can see, alcohol group. Now third one, fill in the blanks. This is aldehyde. Yes. Reduction of aldehyde gives alcohol, and we know reduction of aldehyde gives primary alcohol. Hydrogen coming from here, CH3, CH2, CH, CH3. Here COOH. Here once again, pi bond breaks between carbon oxygen. So what happens there? One valency of carbon, one of oxygen remains. So hydrogen combines here with oxygen and here on carbon. So our product CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 2-methyl butane 1-ol. 2-methyl butane 1-ol is our product. In-text question over now. We are going to new point. Physical properties. Yes, sir. Actually, compound having two type of properties, physical and chemical. Alcohol and phenol consist of two parts, alkyl or aryl group and a hydroxyl group. In the alcohol, there is the alkyl group, two parts. One part is alkyl part and another is the alcohol group, hydroxyl group. In the phenol also, there is aryl group, alkyl group, aryl and hydroxyl group. The properties of alcohol phenols are chiefly due to the hydroxyl group. Yes, actually hydrocarbon part is non-active, active now. Which part is active? OH part is active. So chiefly property of the alcohol and phenol is due to its hydroxyl group. The nature of alkyl aryl group simply modify these properties. So first we are going to discuss about the boiling point of the alcohol and phenols. You can see in the alcohol, what is the methanol, ethanol, then propane 1-ol, propane 2-ol are alkyl group. So alkyl group is non-reactive, OH group is reactive. The property is due to OH group. Same in the benzene ring there is OH, so phenol. So Actually, phenol part, hydrocarbon part is non-active. So properties due to OH group. The nature of alkyl aryl group simply modify these properties. So first of all, boiling point. Boiling point means at particular temperature our compound evaporates, which is called the boiling point. Now we will discuss about it in detail in our next lecture. Till then, bye.